Hello everyone, my name is Smith Kumar and welcome to my channel. From today we are going to start new playlist on Linux and shell scripting. So we are going to learn shell scripting from beginning to advanced level. So we learn all the things that I am doing in my project and you are going to use in your project. So learning Linux is very much essential. Even your whatever things you are doing in your company, you must know Unix and Linux shell scripting, because I guess maximum companies, more than 70% 80% companies are using Linux as their platform, okay, as their operating systems. And we are deploying the project. We are, if you are working as a data engineer, you are working on Hadoop or PySpark, anything, you should know Linux. Okay, so that's all. So no problem. Your search stop here, and we together will learn everything on Linux and shell scripting. Okay, so in my first video, this is my first video. So we are going to set up our working or learning environment. In your company, you will get your Linux server and you will connect using putty, or you may connect using your VS Code editor, and then you will start working. Okay, but here as learning, if you don't have that company servers uh, to learn, then you can create your learning environment by multiple way. First and easiest way is to use the cloud. I will suggest, if you don't have, because many of the student or professional, they doesn't have uh, time to create their setup VMware and all, and they don't want to do because of their system configuration also. So the easiest way to create AWS account, and in AWS account create a EC2 machine and connect to using putty. I'm just telling any cloud, not AWS. You can use GCP or Azure or any other cloud also. So if you are going to use EC2 machines, so I have already created video for AWS playlist. You can check out my AWS playlist from here, and if you go here, and you can create your free account, and then you can create your EC2 machine and connect using VS Code. So please go to that and you can set up your learning environment using EC2 machine. Okay, if you don't want to do that, so you can use Vagrant software to create your learning environment. Otherwise, what I will suggest is, if you have good configuration in your Windows machine, basically many people are using Windows for their personal laptop. So if you're using Windows, and then you can use, then you can download the things here. I will show you. Okay, you can download this VMware tools and then Ubuntu and set up it. I already downloaded VMware and Ubuntu. Okay, this is 3 GB, and this is just software. It won't take. This is 584 MB, and then install this one. So let me show you how I have done it. So download it and install it. Nothing else. Okay, let me open my VMware. You can see here, and Ubuntu. Just starting it. Okay, so you can see this is my Ubuntu machine, and where we will learn our shell scripting. Okay, that's all for this video. Let me show you some of the basic command. I will go here and I will open the terminal. After opening the terminal, you can use create one folder here. So mkdir, okay, shell scripting. It's all shell script. So this is one folder got created on desktop. Let me show you this. This is pwd, means version tracking directory, and then if you do ls minus altr, I will tell you whatever the all the command I will tell you. Just be with me. So this is one, if you see here, shell script folder is got created. So go to shell scripting, and here there is no file right now. I want to create one file. That's all for environment setup. So we have set up our environment successfully. So in the next video we are going to learn uh, all the shell scripting from beginning. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you very much.